Good evening all my dear, this is the second video on the refraction at a single curved surface, and the numerical is there is a mark placed on the surface of a glass sphere, right? So if I draw the glass sphere, there is a mark placed on the surface of a glass sphere is weaved through glass means, my dear, let us try to understand weaved through glass. This language is very important. Is weaved through glass. It means that here you can see that the ray is traveling in glass. Oh God! It means that the object which we will take, that object is in denser medium. Look at the diagram and then we will come to know. So it is weaved through glass from an oppositely directed position. If the diameter of the sphere is 20 centimeter, find the position of the image. Now my dear, let us draw the diagram once again. This is the glass sphere I have taken. No doubt this is glass. Refractive index is given as 1.5. Right? And this is air. This is air. Refractive index is 1 because this is air. Now my dear, I have drawn, this is a diameter you can see of the glass sphere. Right? Diameter is given, that is 20 centimeter. The diameter is given as 20 centimeter. So if I draw, my dear, if I'll ask you where is the center of curvature, so center of curvature will be over here. This is center. And so the radius will be what? The radius will be nothing but r is equal to plus 10 centimeter. Okay. Now here, why plus 10, my dear? Again I will show it is acting as a convex surface by placing the object. So if the mark placed on the surface of glass, mark I have told in my lateral displacement question also. Here the mark word means object. Here the mark word means object. Right? So I have mark here, I have placed the mark, this is the object. So now my dear, let this light is traveling in the glass. Oh God, you can see it is traveling in a glass. And that is why we said it is weaved through glass. So the light, this is your incident ray, please take care. So where the incident ray is traveling, sir, it is traveling in the denser medium, in the glass medium. Because mark is placed on the surface and the light is entered from this mark in the glass. So it means the incident ray is in denser medium. And now my dear, you all know that the refraction, when it will take place, the refraction is going from denser to rarer. So if I draw the normal here like this on the surface, no doubt the refraction is say taking place like this. I am drawing this way. So this is your incident ray. Traveling in glass, and now let the refraction of this takes place like this. So if I produce this at the back, I am getting somewhere here the image. Here you can see the image. Here you can see the image. And this is your incident ray. So my dear, you can see this, the image is on the same side of the object and it is forming in the air medium. Whereas the light is traveling in the denser medium, my dear. The light is traveling in the denser medium. and the image is obtained in the rarer medium, and no doubt sir, the image is on the same side of the object. So it is a virtual image. इसका मतलब the distance of the image should come negative. The distance of the image should come negative. So let us check it out whether it is really negative or it is positive. So check it out from here. So let's start with the answer, my dear. Now when we go for this topic, again here I will write solution. So till now you are all understood the diagram for this question. There is a mark placed on the surface of the glass. Here I place the mark on the surface of the glass. This is the mark. Right? And sphere is weaved through glass. So is when it's weaved through glass, I will weaving this light through glass. And therefore, my dear, when a mark is placed here, the light from the mark will travel in the glass like this. This will be incident ray. It means the light of incident ray traveling in the denser medium. Okay, and it will be bent like this, and then it will form here at the back. I produced it and form the virtual image. So here, my dear, 100% light travel from denser medium to rarer medium. This is what as shown in figure. Oh, beautiful. So now everybody understood. Then what will be the formula, sir? The formula will be light travel from denser to rarer. So where the image forming? Image is forming in rarer. So it will be mu1 by v, because image is forming in rarer medium where the refractive index is mu1. And object light from object is traveling in the denser medium, incident ray, minus mu2 by u is equal to, formula will be mu1 and here it is mu2, so it is mu1 minus mu2 divided by r. I hope you all understood the formula apply, because the light travel from denser to rarer, the image will form in rarer, that is a virtual image. Will conclude by looking the answer also. 100% image distance will be negative. Let us check it out. It is not sure to tell right now. And my dear, here it is, therefore the image is obtained in the rarer medium, so the formula will be V will be obtained in mu1. Yes sir, V will be obtained in mu1, and U is capped in the denser. You can see mu2. Here I can take this as mu2 of the glass, and it is the incident ray is traveling in the glass. So here it can be say that it is denser medium, so U will be observed in denser. So it is mu2 by U, that is equal to mu1 minus mu2 divided by R. So the formula I applied here. Now let's go further. Now, my dear, the question is said in the statement of the question, it is said it is V from an oppositely directed position. मतलब मार्क यहाँ पर है तो V we are doing from here. See, if the mark is there, it is V from an oppositely directed position. So I understood light travel in denser medium, okay. Image form in the rarer medium, okay. But we have to V from oppositely directed position. This line is very important. This will help us to understand where is the pole. Where is the pole? So if I obtain, I am observing this from oppositely directed position. So this is the oppositely directed position, and here is the pole. So now my dear, if here is the pole, it means this is the surface. Now this is the convex surface. And object is in the object. अगर मैंने ऐसा convex surface बना दिया बेटा, then this is the convex surface. Sir, its radius of curvature will be negative. And object is in the denser medium, because here it is denser and here it is rarer. So object is in the denser medium. I hope it is clear, my dear. So if object is in the denser medium, yes, the light is traveling from denser to rarer. And here is the pole and the surface is like this. Sir, ये कैसे पता चला आपको? Sir, it is weave oppositely directed position. तो जहां weave कर रहा हूं, जहां से weave कर रहा हूं, वहां से मैं distance measure करूंगा. जहां से मैं वीव कर रहा हूं वहां से डिस्टेंस मेजर करूंगा. सो सर आप वीव कहां से कर रहे हो? सर मार्क के अपोजिट से वीव कर रहे हो, मार्क के अपोजिट से. सो एज सुन एज आई मार्क से अपोजिट से मैंने वीव किया, ओ गॉड दिस रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर बिकम माइनस. वेरी गुड. एंड दिस बिकम द ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस. यू कैन सी हियर. Because now the pole is here, I am drawing here like this. You can see, my dear. So here is the pole and this will become u and that u become minus 20. So जो diameter था, that become object distance and that is minus 20. And here, my dear, this is your image distance from the pole. Which we will calculate in short moment of time. So I hope you all clear. You all clear with the formula also, sir. Object is in denser medium, image form in the rarer medium, object in denser. So u will be with mu2, image form in rarer, so v will be with mu1, and formula is this. Now here, my dear, after drawing, I hope you all understood. It's a beautiful question and the lines of the numerical are very important. Because it is weave from oppositely directed position and where I am, जहां से मैं इसको weave करता हूं सर, वहीं से सारे distance measure होंगे. क्योंकि ये बोल रहा है oppositely directed position से weave करूंगा तो यहां पर pole होगा. So radius of curvature जो मैं पहले से यहां अगर surface होता my dear, surface अगर इस तरफ होता तो radius of curvature positive होता अगर यहां pole होता. But हुआ क्या कि surface अब ये हो गया because I am weaving from here, so this become pole and as soon as this become a surface, common logic, it become minus. It become minus. So now here, now let us start doing this numerical. So here, my dear, r is equal to minus 10 centimeter from figure. Second, u is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Mu1 is equal to 1. Mu2 is equal to 1.5. And we supposed to find v. I hope it is clear, my dear. So let's start for it. This is, I have written the formula mu1 by v minus mu2 by u is equal to mu1 minus mu2 divided by r. So here, my dear, mu1 is 1. This is 1 by v minus 1.5 divided by u, that is minus 20, is equal to, here it is 1 minus 1.5 divided by r minus 10. So this will, my dear, 1 by v plus 1.5 divided by 20 is equal to, this is 1 minus, so this will be minus 0.5 divided by minus 10. Therefore, my dear, this will give me 1 by v plus 1.5 divided by 20 is equal to, here it will be 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. Now if I solve this, therefore, this will be 1 by v is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1.5 divided by 20. Now LCM of this will be, my dear, 20. This will be 2 ones are, this will be 2 tens are. This is 10 minus 1.5. 10 minus 1.5 is nothing but 10 minus 1.5 is nothing but, my dear, come on, everybody. So 10 minus 1.5 is somewhere, it is 8.5. I hope it is clear. This is 8.5 divided by 20. I hope it is clear. So now here, this will be, my dear, this can be written as 85 divided by 200. So V is equal to, V is somewhere, V is equal to, I am getting it as, I think we are doing somewhere the mistake with the problem. This is 1.5 divided by this. This is minus 0.5 divided by r. R is minus 10. So it is 5 by 100. Sorry, I'm sorry. Here it is 1 by 20. I'm sorry. Here it is 1 by 20 because this is 5 by 100, right? So it will become 1 by 20. So here it will be, I'll rub it out. Wait my dear. So this is 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 minus 1.5 divided by 20. Okay. This is the way. Because my dear, this is minus 0.5 divided by 10 will be 1 by 20. Minus and minus cancel. And this will give me 5 by 100. 5 by 100 is 1 by 20. So here it will be, the answer is nothing but 0. Here the 20 is LCM. And the answer will be minus 0.5. Minus 0.5, that is nothing but minus 5 upon 200, and that is nothing but minus 1 by 40. So if it is minus 1 by 40, V is equal to minus 40 centimeter, my dear. Since the image distance is negative, hence the image is come on bacho, I have told you all, if it is positive it is real, if it is negative it is virtual. And here is the answer. At minus 40 centimeter I will got the image on the same side of the object. Hence the image is virtual. It is obtained, my dear. You can see it is obtained on the same side of the object. I hope question is clear. So what is important to understand, sir? They have given the very important word. It is weaving from opposite side. As soon as this word you will get 100%, my dear, जहाँ से मैं इसको weave करूँगा, that will be my point from where I will measure all the distance. It means this is giving me a hint. At that point I will put a pole. And now you can see, my dear, the ray is traveling in denser, forming the image in rarer. So it is a question of light traveling from denser to rarer. And this is the diagram. I hope you understood the problem number 3. Now let's move on to the next problem. My dear, the next question is, there is a small air bubble in glass sphere. So let us draw the diagram. Say I have taken a small glass sphere, okay, and this is the diameter of the glass sphere. It is given the glass sphere of radius 2 centimeters. So if I take this as center of curvature, that is center, so the radius will become 1 centimeter. Sorry, it is given 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is a glass sphere I have taken. And they said there is a small air bubble. My dear, this small air bubble is act as the object. The small air bubble is act as the object. Okay. So here say I have marked the object. Right? And this is your air bubble. So please take care here. Air bubble is the object which is in the glass sphere. So now you tell me, glass sphere कैसा है? Glass sphere is denser. It is denser, and object which is air bubble is in glass. So of course, sir, the light which will travel from object will travel from denser medium. It will travel in denser medium, and the refracted ray will be in the rarer medium. Matlab this is a case of denser to rarer. Please. Why? Because clear cut it's given air bubble in a glass sphere. So if air bubble is taken as the object which is in glass sphere, so of course the light from the object will travel in glass and going in rarer. So here, my dear, I'll put here it is air medium having mu1 is equal to 1. And what they said, appears to be, this is also very important line, appears to be 1 centimeter from the surface when looked along the diameter. So this is the diameter. So it will be formed at the diameter at what centimeter? Say, my dear, here I am taking pole. Of course, I need to take pole here because then only the object will become here as a denser medium. All distance will be like this. So here I have taken the pole. So here is my distance. You can see, my dear, here the radius is given as r is equal to minus 2 centimeter. Again, it is the same question, and here say the image is there. I am marking here as image I, and the distance of the image from the pole is, my dear, given minus 1.2 centimeter. And object is your air bubble. I am writing here. Object, this is your minus 1.2 centimeter is the image V. And now, my dear, you all know that here the object I am writing, it is air bubble is your object. So I hope you understood the diagram carefully. I will draw the wave diagram for this. So I hope it is clear, and then, my dear, let us draw, this is a center of curvature. So let us draw the normal from the center of curvature like this. I will draw it afterward. So you all understood a small air bubble, sir. This is a small air bubble in a glass sphere. Yes, sir, it is in the glass sphere of radius 2 centimeter. The glass sphere is of radius 2 centimeter. Sir, you mark pole here. Am I clear? On this side, when I am weaving out to this side, so that if pole is here, no doubt the radius of curvature is taken as minus 2 centimeter. So this is your refracting surface. This is your refracting surface, my dear. Okay, and here it is given that the 1 centimeter from the surface, who appears to be 1 centimeter, matlab the image is obtained at 1.2 centimeter, or it is said 1 centimeter. I think it is image is given as the image is obtained at 1 centimeter. Okay. So the image is obtained at 1 centimeter. So here, my dear, the image obtained at 1 centimeter, that is minus 1 centimeter. And this is your V value. Appears. So image is obtained actually in rarer medium because object is kept in the denser medium. So no doubt image is obtained in the rarer medium. So now let us see that. Look at it, what will happen. Say I have taken the object here. Okay, the light go like this. Here is your center of curvature. So this will be your normal. This is the normal. And since the light going from denser to rarer, so it will be bent away from the normal. Am I clear, my dear? I hope you are getting. This is your normal. Because passing through center of curvature. So here you can see the image, my dear. Here you can see the image, and this is refracted away from the normal. Say here I have given the name A, and here I have given the name B. So AB is my refracted ray which obtained the image here. But my dear, refracted ray is in air. Matlab image is obtained in air and object is in the denser medium. So here it is a case of solution from figure. A ray of light is traveling from denser to rarer medium. Since small air bubble act as a object kept in glass sphere. A small air bubble act as object kept in, come on, glass sphere, which is denser medium, whose image is along refracted ray AB in rarer medium. Whose image is along refracted ray AB, and where AB is going, my dear, I have produced this image here in glass, but this AB is in where? In air medium. So sir, 100% I have written a ray of light is traveling from denser to rarer. That is why how I concluded, sir, air bubble is kept in the object which is in the glass sphere, and hence which is a denser medium. So object is in denser medium, image is along refracted ray AB, that is in rarer medium. Am I clear? So I hope you all understood where is the pole, where is the image. The image is given here. Here in this question, image distance is given. And since you can see here is the way of the refracting surface, this is the refracting surface, my dear, in this case. So here I can write refraction takes place from surface. You can see. Am I clear? So now, my dear, here you can write therefore formula. What is formula? So where is the object? Sir, object is in denser medium. And where is the image form? Sir, image is formed in the rarer medium. And what is the rarer medium ka refractive index? mu1. So it is mu1 by V minus mu2 by U. That is object in denser is equal to mu1 minus mu2 by R. Here, my dear, mu1 is equal to 1, mu2 is equal to 1.5, R is equal to minus 2 centimeter, V is equal to minus 1 centimeter, and you supposed to find. You supposed to find U. And diagram is clear, I hope everybody. So please, my dear, what is very important concept? Sir, here the small air bubble is an object. And I placed at point O. That object, I place it at point O, that is air bubble. Sir, where it is? It is in the glass. So where the light from incident ray travel? It will be in denser medium, an image form in the rarer medium. So it is a case of denser to rarer. That's what I told. In every numerical, try to understand from where to where the light going. Where image forming, where the object is placed. I hope it is clear, my dear. And my dear, since I said the object is in denser medium, and therefore I took this as a refracting surface, because I told you on my derivation, if I say object is in the rarer medium, the diagram will be like this. Right? This surface is taken. This is for rarer medium. But when I say object is in denser medium, this is denser medium. So 100% my pole should be over here. Here the pole is here. So you can understand what way you are supposed to measure. So this is the diagram, and therefore I have taken this surface because object is in denser medium. I draw this as a surface. So look at the diagram carefully. Why I have selected the pole here? Because earlier only I said the object is in denser medium, so the surface will be like this. But my dear, if the object is placed in the rarer medium, then I would have taken this surface, and here I have taken object. Because it is a rule that the object should be left of the pole, or the point from where we measure the distance. है ना? ये तो rule है, object हमेशा left में होता है. Unless and until the given object is taken as a virtual object in my earlier cases, in one of the case. So please take care. थोड़ा logic लगा. आप मेरे को पूछ सकते हो, सर आपने पोल यहाँ क्यों लिया? आपने पोल यहाँ क्यों नहीं लिया? सर अगर आपने पोल यहां लिया होता तो ये डायग्राम होता, और सर आपके हिसाब से ऑब्जेक्ट तो हमेशा लेफ्ट में रखना पड़ता है, तो सर अगर मैं ऑब्जेक्ट को लेफ्ट में रखने जाता और पोल यहां होता तो सर ये क्लियर कट बता रहा है कि ये सरफेस में सर हियर इज डेंसर, एंड ये वाले सरफेस में सर हियर इज डेंसर। सिंस मेरे को ऑब्जेक्ट डेंसर में क्लियर कट बोल रहा है एयर बबल इन ग्लास स्फीयर, सो ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को ऐसा सरफेस सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो पोल यहां आएगा। Okay, so please, बेटा आप look at my figure, my way of explanation. Try to understand, sir, why you have not selected pole on this side? Because in earlier numerical it was observe oppositely, ऐसा बोला था. But sir यहाँ तो कुछ बोला नहीं, फिर भी आपने पोल यहाँ ले लिया. Because मार्क यहाँ था, पोल oppositely observe करना था, इसलिए पोल वहाँ लिया था. Earlier question. But now my dear, the question में clear cut बोल रहा है कि ऑब्जेक्ट डेंसर मीडियम में है, तो अपने थियरी को उठाओ, दिमाग लगाओ. दैट सर अगर ऑब्जेक्ट डेंसर में है तो डायग्राम सरफेस का ऐसा होना चाहिए, तो ही ऑब्जेक्ट डेंसर में होगा. यू कैन सी माय फिगर. तब सरफेस ऐसा होगा तो ही ऑब्जेक्ट डेंसर में होगा, क्योंकि अगर आपने ऐसा सरफेस यहां पोल लिया तो आपका सरफेस ये हो जाएगा, और ऑब्जेक्ट को लेफ्ट साइड में रखना है बाय कार्टेशियन रूल्स. Am I clear? Unless and until the object is virtual. So if object is placed to the left, अगर यहाँ पोल लिया ऑब्जेक्ट लेफ्ट में चलेगा तो सर ऑब्जेक्ट एरर में आ जाएगा, जबकि क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है एयर बबल इन ग्लास स्फीयर, और एयर बबल एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. ओके, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. और इट इज इन ग्लास स्फीयर मतलब वो डेंसर में है, और डेंसर में है तो सर आपको 100% ये डायग्राम का सिलेक्शन करना पड़ेगा, तो ही ऑब्जेक्ट डेंसर में होगा, इसलिए पोल यहाँ आएगा. And rest all you know how to measure distance when it will be needed. So let's start for it, my dear. Substitution. This is 1 divided by 1, because I have, it's my duty, my dear, to explain you why I have taken pole there, why not here. Because if I take pole here, sir object pole से left में आएगा, immediately जैसे ही pole यहाँ आया object left में गया तो error में चले जाएगा. Am I clear? This diagram. But sir that is not the case. Case is air bubble in glass sphere, मतलब एयर बबल पहले से ही डेंसर में है, एयर बबल ही ऑब्जेक्ट है, और सर अगर ऑब्जेक्ट को डेंसर में बनाना है तो आपका सरफेस ऐसा होना चाहिए, मतलब आप ये सरफेस सिलेक्ट करोगे, पोल यहाँ आएगा. और एक बार पोल आ गया तो इमेज उसने बोला है रेडियस कितना है 2 सेंटीमीटर, तो यहां से सेंटर तक रेडियस बना, दैट इज -2 लेना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज पोल का डायग्राम यहाँ है. इट विल बी लाइक दिस. इंसिडेंट रे ऐसे जा रहा है, सो डिस्टेंस इज मेजर्ड अगेंस्ट इंसिडेंट रे, तो ये -2 हो गया. अपीयर्स टू बी, अपीयर्स मतलब इमेज डिस्टेंस दे रहा है, इमेज डिस्टेंस सर -1 पे होगा, एंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिटवीन दिस टू, और जो डेंसर से रेरर जा रहा है, जो रिफ्रैक्ट हो रहा है अलोंग ए बी, जिसको मैंने इमेज प्रोड्यूस किया एट आई, यू कैन सी. ओके, और हमको यू निकालना है. ओके, सो दिस विल बी 1 बाय v. v इज नथिंग बट माय डियर -1 minus mu2, that is 1.5, u I don't know, is equal to 1 minus 1.5 divided by -2. So now my dear, I hope it is clear. This is -1 minus 1.5 divided by u is equal to 0.5, that is minus 0.5 divided by -2. Now my dear, this will be, I hope, minus 5 by 5, minus and minus cancel, it will be 5 by 20, that is 1 by 4. So now my dear, this will be minus 1.5 divided by u is equal to 1 by 4, and this minus 1 will go on this side, become plus 1. The answer will become 5 by 4. So now my dear, what will be the value for u? Therefore u is equal to 4 into 1.5 divided by 5 with minus sign. U is equal to 4 into 1.5, 4 into 1.5 divided by 5 with minus sign. So this will be, my dear, I hope, -6 divided by 5, and answer will be nothing but minus 1.2 centimeter. Minus, yes sir, it is minus. So my dear, the object will be at minus 1.2. तो अगर image -1 है और center of curvature -2 है, now I am realizing my diagram. I am realizing whether मैं कितना सही बनाया हूँ, ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन कितना सही है वो देखो. सर ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस -1.2 है, इमेज का डिस्टेंस 1 है, रेडियस 2 है, तो इसका मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट विल बिटवीन इमेज एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. एब्सोल्युटली राइट. एंड हियर इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट माय डियर. शैल आई ड्रॉ हियर टू हियर एंड दिस इज -1.2 centimeter. That is the answer of the object. So I hope it's clear, my dear. Now let's go to the next one. Now my dear, look at this is the last sum from my side on the topic refraction at a single curved surface. Here I have taken because this 5 sum is enough, my dear, to do all the numericals based on refraction as a single curved surface. I have covered all the types of the sums with this topic. There is a sunshine recorder, globe, shape is globe. You all know globe, something like this. So I have drawn the globe here. This is the sunshine recorder, or it can be a globe, my dear. I am drawing. So look at it, there is a globe. Okay. And of 30 centimeter diameter. So the globe has a diameter of 30 centimeter. Okay, now it is given is made of glass of refractive index 1.5. So this is mu glass 1.5. A ray entered the glass parallel to the axis. Now my dear, if I'll assume this as the axis of the globe, this is the last sum but little lengthy. So a ray will enter parallel to the axis. Say the ray entered here. And here I marked A, here I marked say pole, and here I marked the B. That is APB is my first refracting surface. Okay. And this is a ray parallel, this is incident ray that is parallel to the axis. Okay. Find the position from the center of the sphere. So here if I take center of the sphere, where the ray crosses the axis, where the ray crosses the axis, this line means where the ray, which ray? That is refracted ray. Refracted ray, that is image crosses the axis, that distance, image ka distance from the center of curvature we have to measure. My dear, look at this line, last line, where the ray crosses the axis. Which ray? Sir, refracted ray, because we are interested to find image ka distance from C, not from pole. See the question. Calculate the distance from C of the refracted ray, not from the pole. This is one thing which you are supposed to make a note of it. Because everywhere you are measuring the distance from pole. But now the question says, measure the distance from center of the sphere, find the position from the center of the sphere, where the ray crosses the axis. This is incomplete. Ray means refracted ray, that is a dim image. So where the image cross this axis, that distance I have to measure from center of curvature. I hope you understood. So please you make a note of this, that you have to measure the distance from center of curvature. Find the position from the center of the sphere where the ray, the question given where the ray crosses the axis, but here there is a small logic. So ray, which ray? Refracted ray, because that refracted ray form an image. And you have to measure from C. Generally we measure from pole, but right now you have to measure from C. Now my dear, I hope here what I supposed to do. Now you all know that, see, pehle the diagram you should aware about. I hope here, if this is the center of curvature, then no doubt this will be your normal. This will be your normal, my dear. I hope it is clear. And therefore, of course, it is coming from air having mu1 equal to 1 going in glass, so it will be bent towards the normal. Like this. And it will be fall on, or I am bending little more. It will bend towards the normal. Along AB, this is refracted ray called as first refracted ray because this is first refracting surface. You can see this is the first refracting surface, my dear. Here I can mark this pole as P1. Here I can mark the pole as P2, my dear. Because the second refraction will also take place from this surface. Then only I can measure the distance from center. So nice question it is. So now my dear, let us calculate first this much. जिसका image will form here. Here is the image forming I1 say. This is the image, my dear. So this image I1 is formed due to the refracting surface AP1B. You can see. So now my dear, here I can draw this. I can say when refraction solution, it is like a lens maker. I hope it is like a lens maker. First refraction will take place from this surface and image form at I1. Now this I1 is act as the virtual object for this surface. For another refracting surface, say the name is BP2D. For this surface, this act as the object. And then the refraction will take place somewhere here. I hope it is clear, my dear. That is away from the normal because it is going from denser to rarer because light will be this, and now the refraction for this ray. This will act as, this I1 will act as the object for this surface. Look at it now. Look at one by one. Solution. When refraction takes place from surface AP1B, that is from figure, light travel from air to glass. That is light travel from air to glass, and image is real. Image is real obtained at I1 in air. Image is real because object is air. Image is obtained on the other side of the object, right? It is real image, right? Which is formed in air. You can see. So now, my dear, the formula you will take from denser to rarer, that is denser to rarer case. That is rarer to denser case. Matlab object is in rarer and image is obtained. The refracted ray, you can see the refracted ray is observed in, image is real obtained in denser medium. Because of first surface. Assume that this surface is not there. If this surface is not there, my dear, of course this is air and image is obtained in denser. Because this acts as a denser. I hope it is clear. Am I clear? So when refraction takes place from surface AP1B, that is from figure, light travel from air to glass, An image is real obtained in denser medium. Obtained in denser medium, because here and I have taken this surface, image obtained in denser medium. So my dear, here the formula is rarer में object है, denser में image है. So this will be mu2 by v minus mu1 by u. Image is in denser, object is in rarer, is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. Am I clear? Now here my dear, from Hans question, u is equal to minus infinity, because object is coming from, you can see the diagram say that a ray enter the glass parallel to the axis, but this ray is coming from where? They have not mentioned. It means the ray is coming from distant object. So u is equal to infinity. Sir, r is equal to, you can see this is r now, which is positive. So r is equal to, if the diameter is 30, r is equal to 30 by 2, that is equal to plus 15 centimeter for this refraction. So r is equal to 30 by 2, that is equal to plus 15 centimeter. Okay, r is over. Mu2 is equal to 1.5, mu1 is equal to 1, and I supposed to find v. Let this v is taken as from the pole is plus v1. So v is taken as v1, and that is question mark. So let us find v1, my dear. You can see the diagram carefully. I am drawing one surface at a time. One surface at a time. I rub this figure. Globe का एक part मैंने rub कर दिया है. Because for this surface, this is the air and this is denser. But as soon as I draw this surface, my dear, this image will be act as the object, and this image is in which medium? Denser medium. मतलब for this surface, the object is in denser and the image will form in the rarer. I'll show you the diagram. Don't worry about that. So first calculate this part. I hope you are understanding. So now this is a very important. I am taking one surface at a time for a globe. So now this will be, my dear.